First, I make some nice calamari, and now I'm about to make Romesco de Peix, which is basically a stew made traditionally by the fishermen with seafood, lots of seafood. As the base for my sofrito, I have onion, garlic, red pepper, green pepper, of course, bay leaf, and a hint of smoked paprika. Because in Spain, we love paprika so much. There is no sofrito without tomato. Always fresh. And some potatoes, they will give that consistency to the dish. A little more salt. And since I'm cooking a fish stew, why not? Sharing is caring. One for me, one for the boy. And it's important to let it reduce. Reduce it to a third, because it's gonna concentrate all the sugar, evaporate the alcohol. Saffron, we're big producers of saffron in Spain. But I wanna show you a trick. You have a little bit of hot water, you put some saffron, and let it rest for a while. Guess what? The saffron is gonna release all its perfume, all its color, and all its flavor. And that guy, it can reduce at the same time that the wine. I lose the acidity of the wine, so now the potatoes, they're gonna give the texture to my stew. I like to make my own fumet, which is basically a fish broth. You can always go to your grocery store and buy it, or even a clam juice is gonna do the job. So I'm making Romesco, and in this particular dish, it's gonna act like a thickener. I will add it at the end, so it's gonna make this stew really, really, really yummy. First thing, golden brown the garlic. By deep frying all these ingredients, I'm enhancing the flavors. A little bit of oil. The oil is gonna help to get all the flavors together. And now it's time for the peppers to go in. This is so good. I can taste the almonds, the hint of the vinegar, the roasted peppers. They have that smokiness. So good. Now, check it out. I'm using this for the stew. You see how the texture changed? And now, I cannot cook seafood stew without seafood. Mejillones, fletán, camarones, my mussels, my Hollywood, my shrimps. And now, I'm gonna poach the fish, and I'm gonna open the mussels in the same stew. So I'm gonna collect all the juices in the same pot. Big cubes, because if you cut it too small, they're gonna overcook easily. Me gustan las gambas. I like camarones, shrimps. A few more minutes. Let those babies cook. And final lap. I'm ready. I smell the saffron. See? The color of the potatoes has changed. Because of the saffron. The mussels, they start to open. Tac, tac, tac. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is ready. Yeah, baby. Poquito de perejil, a little bit of parsley on top. This smells so good. The parsley on top, the fish, the seafood, the potatoes, the peppers, the Romesco. That's a real Romesco de Peix. And by poaching the fish, by adding to the pot at the last minute, it's just perfect. It's not overcooked, it's perfect. And the potatoes, the potatoes, they have absorbed the saffron, the fish stock, the wine, everything. It's amazing. But what can I do with the seafood? But Spain's most famous dish.